Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 1, we made lemon cucumber honey juice. Now in part 2, we're breaking down the health benefits and showing you when and how to drink it for the best results. Let's dive in. Post-workout recovery drink. After a sweat session, your body craves hydration and nutrients. This juice delivers both. The cucumber rehydrates, the lemon replenishes electrolytes, and the honey helps rebuild glycogen stores. Rehydrates faster than water. Cucumber's minerals and honey's electrolytes aid fluid absorption. Reduces muscle fatigue. Lemon's potassium and honey's glucose support recovery. Soothes inflammation. The antioxidants in all three ingredients help repair muscle tissue. Skip the sugary sports drinks. This natural alternative hydrates without artificial additives. Evening relaxation beverage. Wind down with a glass of this juice an hour before bed. The honey promotes melatonin production, cucumber's mild flavor calms cravings, and lemon aids digestion so you don't wake up bloated. Supports digestion. Lemon juice helps break down dinner, reducing nighttime indigestion. Promotes sleep. Honey triggers a slight insulin spike, which helps tryptophan reach the brain. Hydrates overnight. Cucumber's water content prevents midnight dry mouth. If you struggle with late-night snacking, this drink is a satisfying, low-calorie way to curb the habit. Each time of day offers unique benefits. Pick the one that fits your needs, or enjoy it all three ways. Potential side effects and precautions. While lemon cucumber honey juice is packed with benefits, it's not for everyone. Some ingredients might cause reactions or interfere with certain health conditions. Before making it a daily habit, consider these potential side effects and precautions. Allergic reactions to ingredients. Allergies to lemons, cucumbers, or honey are rare but possible. If you've never had these ingredients before, test them separately first. Lemons. Citrus allergies can cause itching, swelling, or digestive upset. Try rubbing a drop of lemon juice on your inner wrist. Wait 24 hours to check for redness or irritation. Cucumbers. Some people react to cucurbitacins, compounds found in cucumbers, leading to mouth tingling or stomach cramps. Honey. Raw honey can trigger reactions in those sensitive to pollen or bee products. Start with a small amount mixed in water. If you notice hives, swelling, or difficulty breathing, stop consuming the juice and seek medical help. Moderation for optimal benefits. Too much of a good thing can backfire. Honey adds natural sugars, and lemon's acidity might irritate sensitive systems. Stick to these guidelines. Limit to 1 to 2 glasses daily to avoid excess sugar intake, especially if you're watching your calories. Dilute with water if lemon juice triggers heartburn or enamel sensitivity. Time it wisely. Drinking lemon juice on an empty stomach can upset digestion for some. Pair it with food if needed. Balancing these ingredients ensures you get the perks without overdoing it. Who should avoid this juice? Certain health conditions or lifestyles might make this juice less ideal. If you fall into any of these groups, check with a doctor first. Diabetics. Honey spikes blood sugar, even in small amounts. Opt for stevia or skip sweeteners entirely. GERD or acid reflux sufferers. Lemon's acidity can worsen symptoms. Cucumber alone might be a safer choice. Infants under 12 months. Raw honey carries a risk of botulism for babies. People on blood thinners. Cucumber's vitamin K could interfere with medications like warfarin. Pregnant women and those with kidney issues should also consult a professional before making this juice a staple. Listen to your body. What works for others might not suit you. Adjust or avoid as needed. Scientific backing and research on the ingredients. Behind every sip of lemon cucumber honey juice is research showing why these ingredients work so well together. Science backs up their health perks, from immunity boosts to gut support. Let's break down what studies say about each one. Lemon. A nutritional powerhouse. Lemons are more than just a burst of tangy flavor. Research highlights their role as a vitamin C powerhouse and natural detoxifier. One study in the Journal of Nutrition found that the vitamin C in lemons strengthens immune function by increasing white blood cell production. Another study in Biomed Research International showed lemon polyphenols help the liver flush toxins more effectively. Key findings. High in antioxidants. The flavonoids in lemons reduce oxidative stress, which is linked to chronic diseases. Boosts digestion. Citric acid stimulates stomach acid, improving nutrient absorption. Hydrates on a cellular level. Because lemon juice is alkaline once metabolized, it helps balance pH levels. For detox benefits, studies suggest drinking lemon water in the morning activates enzymes that cleanse the bloodstream. Cucumber. Hydration and beyond. Cucumbers aren't just waterlogged crunch, they're packed with compounds that fight inflammation. A phytotherapy research study noted cucumbers' cucurbitacins reduce swelling and irritation in tissues. Another study in the Journal of Aging Research found cucumbers' silica content supports collagen production, benefiting joints and skin. What stands out? 96% water content. Research in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirms cucumbers rehydrate as effectively as water, with added minerals. Anti-inflammatory effects. The plant lignans in cucumbers may lower risks of cardiovascular diseases. Gut-friendly fiber. The soluble fiber in cucumber skins feeds beneficial gut bacteria, per a Nutrients Journal review. For post-workout recovery, cucumbers' potassium and magnesium help prevent cramping better than plain water. Honey. Nature's sweet medicine. Raw honey isn't just sugar, it's a complex mix of enzymes and antioxidants. A Molecules Journal study showed honey's antibacterial properties rival some topical antibiotics for wound healing. The Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry also found darker honeys, like buckwheat, have higher antioxidant levels than many fruits. Proven benefits. Soothes throats. A pediatric study found honey outperforms cough syrup for nighttime cough relief. Balances gut bacteria. The prebiotics in honey promote growth of probiotics like bifidobacteria. Stabilizes blood sugar. Despite its sweetness, honey has a lower glycemic index than table sugar, per research in nutrition and diabetes. Note: heat destroys many of honey's enzymes, so always add it after blending to preserve benefits. Lemon cucumber honey juice packs a triple punch of hydration, nutrients, and flavor in every sip. The crispness of cucumber, zing of lemon, and subtle sweetness of honey make it a standout drink for energy, recovery, or relaxation. Whether you need a morning metabolism boost, post-workout hydration, or an evening wind down, this simple recipe adapts to your routine. Science backs its benefits, from detox support to glowing skin, but the best proof is how you feel after trying it. Blend a batch today and taste the difference. Craving more ideas? Experiment with ginger or mint, or explore other gut-friendly juices for variety. Your body and taste buds will thank you. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.